Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? Today we are going to clean the air filter, the aftermarket one for the Honda Civic. I was gonna clean mine, but I just purchased mine recently, so it doesn't need any cleaning. So what I'm gonna do is just make a video on cleaning this air filter for my wife's car. So it varies on how you guys gonna, or it depends on what air filters you guys have, but this one specifically is from PRL. So to be able to remove this, there's only a couple steps. Just gonna remove the map sensor and loosen this bolt here, which is a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna do that right now. I'll loosen that up. I'll remove it completely. Get your flathead screwdriver. Or I think this one. Oh, never mind. I'll just completely remove it. There you go. Just loosen it so you can hand tight it. Yeah. Or I messed up. You don't have to loosen that. There's actually a bolt on the filter. I didn't see it because it was hidden right here in the bottom. As you can see, that bolt right here. I installed it. Oops. I'm using my headphones today as my microphone. Let's see if it works better. So loosen this up. It's kind of hard. Let's see, it was under there. Let's see if I can put this up. Nope. There you go. Now we can probably move this. Go. Remove it by hand. Oh, drop right there. Be careful on that. So we're basically gonna spray this. I have a specific air filter cleaner from K&N. I'm gonna be using this. So basically you're just going to spray this on the air filter, let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you will gonna rinse it, and then you will apply the oil. Let's do that right now. There you go. Put the phone right here. There. So I'll rinse this. You may want to clean your air filter to avoid the dust or the dirt going into your engine bay, your engine. It's a good thing to buy or to invest a aftermarket air filter. There you go. And then, as I was saying earlier, so just put it on here let it rest, let that thing soak in. And then as I said earlier, the oil comes to the kit is this K&N oil. It's a red. So red one. Make sure if you have red air filter, you will use the red oil. I'll come back in 5 to 10 minutes. I will let this filter soak into the cleaner, and we will be brushing it up. Hey guys, so it has been 10 minutes already, so we are gonna rinse this air filter. I'm gonna be using hot water to rinse it, just because. So make sure you rinse the inside of the filter first um, before going to the outside. As you can see, you'll see a reddish water on it. That's the oil. So basically, that this product right here makes the old oil to get out of the filter, and then so you can apply a new one. But make sure you oil your filter. If it needs to be oiled, then it needs to be oiled. Don't miss that step. So I'm just going through right here. After you clean this one, you're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour, depending, to air dry it. You can also use hair dryers, but I don't recommend it. So that you will expedite your drying time. But I don't recommend it, like I said. So in my case, I'm just gonna let this dry for 30 minutes or an hour, and then we are ready to install it. So basically, that's the way to clean your air filter. And then after it dries, make sure you spray some of this, not too much, just a little, just enough to cover the whole filter. If you spray too much, the excess oil might be sucked into your engine, and you might cause some problems on it. So I don't recommend spraying a lot. So there we go. I'm gonna let it sit here to air dry. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you guys like the video, make sure you subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions or any videos that you want me to do. It'll help me out a lot. And yeah.